army truck and completely out of wood. This carries ammunition, MREs, and ammo. These are the barrels. And then the barrels go in the back of the truck.